New to Internet marketing? You have to read this. The vast majority of the population uses computers, as well as the Internet, on a daily basis. If you are not marketing on the Internet, you are missing out on some serious money that you could be making. This video would provide you with the information you need to know about Internet marketing. Utilizing Internet forums is one of the best ways to increase the public view of your company. Find some forums that are frequented by your target audience to ensure that the right people are viewing posts regarding your company. Many forum owners also sell advertising space, which is another great way to receive exposure. Email is a very important factor in communicating with your potential clients. When you send emails to your customers, make it newsletter style and interesting. You want your customers to be excited to receive your emails. Your subscribers deserve to be provided with relevant information that is valuable to them. You don't want them unsubscribing because your emails seem like spam. Newsletters help you stay in contact with your customer long after they leave your website, and allow them to feel as though you are interested in their return. You should weigh your options and decide if your time or your money are the most important things. If you want to spend more time than money, opting for very cheap or free online marketing strategies may be the way to go. However, if you do not have a lot of time, but can spend a bit more money, you can hire companies to do the online marketing for you. You will have to spend one or the other, so choose wisely. Become the expert in your field, in order to increase your Internet marketing success. Use webinars or podcasts to educate current and potential customers. Write informational articles or produce videos for distribution online. When you become the person people turn to for answers, that will drive more traffic and business to your site. Choosing an image that fits well with whatever is being marketed can help it stand out amongst everything else on the Internet. It will also ensure that one's advertising is always recognized and properly attributed to them. One icon or logo that is unique and represents the idea that is being marketed will help the Internet marketing be noticed. To promote your business with Internet marketing, send out a press release. This may sound like an old-fashioned approach, but press releases are still effective online. You can set up a mailing list for your website to ensure that those interested will get relevant notifications. Search for bloggers with similar interests who will be interested to know about your business and might help spread Internet word of mouth. Keep up with the changes of the Internet if you hope to be successful as a marketer. Every time a new mega-popular site like Twitter shows up, you need to expand your reach to these places. Never stay the same despite the net's evolution. You need to walk right along with it, because your customers are going that way with or without you. An important tip regarding Internet marketing is to make sure that your site is easy to navigate and understand. This is important because you want to make sure that you eliminate the possibility for frustration when potential customers are navigating your site. You could easily lose customers if your navigation is not linear and intuitive. It is a small but significant Internet marketing tactic to emphasize speed at all times. Any possible facet of a product or its online sales channel that is speedy should be duly incorporated. If a product does a job faster, its advertising should say so. Quick delivery must be emphasized if it can be provided. Customers love speed. Always make sure to put a description of the site right at the top of the page. There is no way that a user will be interested in buying anything from your site if they cannot look at the page and figure out what it is that you are selling. If you need to improve your sales, which you most definitely do. If you have not been marketing on the Internet, it is time you learn the tricks of the trade. Use the information from this video wisely and see the cash flow that you have been dreaming about.